Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's been making waves among herbal enthusiasts, the Forgotten Home Apothecary Book by Dr. Nicole Apelian. This book claims to revive the wisdom of our grandparents' herbal remedies and is said to be the ultimate guide for natural healing. But is it really worth it? Let's get started. The Forgotten Home Apothecary Book is packed with over 250 remedies, organised in a super user friendly way. What's cool is that it's designed like an apothecary shelf. Each remedy is categorised by specific ailments, so if you're looking for a natural way to ease a headache or soothe a cold, you can quickly find it. It even has an appendix where all the remedies are listed with page numbers, making it really easy to navigate. Plus, the step-by-step instructions, colour photos and precise measurements make it beginner-friendly. If you're new to herbal medicine, you'll find this pretty helpful. Let's talk about what people are saying. Many reviewers praise this book for its practicality. One person mentioned, the listing of the recipes in the front is just perfect. Took a long time to arrive, but worth the wait. Another reviewer wrote, it covers a wide range of natural remedies that are easy to follow and implement. Dr. Apelian's expertise shines through in her clear explanations and practical advice. It seems like most users find this book helpful and well written, especially for anyone interested in natural healing. But let's be honest, there are some issues to be aware of. First, a lot of people have complained about shipping times. Some orders have taken weeks or even months to arrive. For most, it's not a deal breaker because the book is worth the wait, but it's something to keep in mind if you're not patient. Another concern is the occasional quality issue. A few buyers reported receiving books that were torn or looked used, which can be frustrating. If you do decide to purchase, I'd recommend checking the condition of the book immediately upon arrival and contacting customer support if needed. So, is the Forgotten Home Apothecary Book legit? Honestly, I'd say yes. It's well researched, packed with useful information, and it's written by Dr. Nicole Apelian, who's an expert in the field. That said, it's important to manage your expectations. This book is great for learning about herbal remedies, but it's not a replacement for professional medical advice. If you're dealing with serious health concerns, always consult a healthcare professional.